guys! Today I'm here with a tag video and I've just realized that I haven't filmed a tag video in quite some time now, so I hope you like it. The tag that I'm filming today is called My Makeup and Me tag, and I was tagged by Jessica from The Mod Mermaid. I'll put her link down below and you should definitely go check her out. But yeah, this tag is basically about how I got into makeup, and also there are a few questions about how I got into the whole YouTube thing. So yeah, let's just start with the first question. First question is, how and when did you become interested in makeup and beauty products? I think I became interested in makeup itself in my early teenage years. You know, I was always looking through magazines and I always admired makeup artists, but I think like my obsession developed about 2 years ago when I started watching YouTube videos. So yeah, this is how I got into the makeup more seriously, and it's definitely YouTube's fault. Next question is, at what age did you start wearing makeup regularly? I think I wanted to start wearing makeup when I was about 12 and 13. I remember that I wanted to go to school wearing makeup and my dad didn't let me, which I'm kind of grateful for that, because you know, I was a 90s kid and back then like blue eyeshadows and sparkly lip glosses were very popular, and I looked horrendous when I was trying to put that on, and yeah, I wanted to go to school looking like that, so I'm glad that my dad stopped me. But yeah, I don't know when I started wearing makeup regularly. To be honest, even nowadays I don't wear it regularly. I mean, I do wear it quite a lot, but when I go to school, for example, I usually don't wear any makeup just because I'm too lazy to put it on in the mornings. And yeah, I mean, I don't mind leaving the house without makeup, but I would say that I started wearing makeup regularly, you know, for when I went out with friends and stuff like that, when I was about 15, when I started going to high school, I think. But even back then I didn't wear a lot of makeup. But I would say that I started wearing full face makeup like this when I started to go to university, which was, I was 18, and this was also the time when I started watching YouTube videos and stuff like that. So yeah, I wouldn't say that I've been wearing it for such a long time. Next question is, what is one makeup mistake that you used to make? As I have said, I haven't been wearing much makeup, and even if I did, I was wearing like very natural looking makeup, so I don't think I made that many mistakes, except for that blue eyeshadow and pink glittery lipstick when I was 13. Nobody saw me, so it's cool. But yeah, I don't think I made many mistakes. I don't know, maybe I'm making one today because I've been experimenting with some green eyeshadows and I don't think it looks that good on me. So yeah, maybe today is not my best makeup day. But yeah, it is what it is. I didn't have time to redo my makeup because I'm losing the natural light. It's very late, so I have to film this video quickly, but yeah. Question number 4, if you were going away from home for 1 month and could only bring one makeup product, what would you bring? And nothing can be purchased on this trip. Whoa! I probably wouldn't even bring anything, because when I do my makeup, I either do full face makeup or nothing at all, so I'm not sure why I would only bring one item, because I wouldn't even use it. Oh wait, actually, I would bring something. I would bring my under eye concealer because I have terrible under eye circles, so yeah, I would definitely bring that. Question number 5, when and why did you start your YouTube channel? I started back in January, so 8 months ago approximately, and I basically started it because some of the, like, I've been blogging for almost 3 years, and Some of the posts that I wanted to do are very difficult to do in written form. I think it's much easier and less boring to show, you know, what you bought on camera than just like take photos of everything and write about the items on your blog. And I think like tag videos are really fun to do on camera. So yeah, this is basically why I started. I started as some sort of an extension of my blog. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Question number 6, do you have any advice for someone new to making videos? Well, I consider myself new to making videos, so I don't feel like I'm ready to give out any advice. But if I have to tell one thing, I would say don't be nervous and don't care about what other people think about you making videos, because it's really fun. And despite the negative comments, which are a big problem here on YouTube, YouTube is a very lovely community, and I'm really glad that I started making videos because I met some lovely people through it, and I don't know, it's just a nice way to spend my free time. The first few videos you're probably going to film will be quite bad. I know mine are, because I was just so uncomfortable in front of the camera back then. This is just a natural flow of things, so don't worry about that, you will improve in the future. So yeah, I don't know, just don't worry and start making them because it's really fun. Next question is, of all of the videos you have ever made, which one is your favorite and why? I don't think I have a favorite video of mine. I don't know, maybe one that I filmed with my sister, because I always have a lot of fun when we're filming together, so maybe one of them. But yeah, I don't know, I really don't have a favorite one. And now the last question is, what is your main goal for your channel? As of right now, my main goal is to keep making videos regularly, and I also hope that I can keep improving my videos. I want to improve the quality and the filming style and everything like that. So yeah, these are my main goals, but of course I would also love to see my YouTube channel grow in terms of subscribers. I don't know, it's nice to see that people watch your videos when you put some time and effort into them. And yeah, I don't know if this is going to happen, because I know it takes a lot of time, and you also have to be a little bit lucky, because nowadays there are so many people on YouTube that it's hard to get noticed. But yeah, I didn't start YouTube because of the numbers, so I'm not too worried about that. I just want to keep making videos, and I hope people will keep watching them. So this was my makeup and me tag. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to tag people, because I'm pretty sure that most of my YouTube friends have already done this tag. But just in case you haven't, I'm going to go through all of your videos, and if you haven't filmed it yet, I'm going to tag you, so please do check out the description box below in case you've been tagged. And yeah, this is it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!